It's crushing it with crew here, guys. Guess what we're gonna do? What are we gonna go do?
Good.
Are we gonna go to Sturgis, Kentucky and watch Monster Truck Wars?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We need to do Monster Wars.
We're gonna go to Monster Truck Wars and we'll catch you guys later.
The crew. Take your picture.
Hey, say this is crushing it with crew. No, you're not gonna do it? What do you want to do, buddy? Hey, stay on this side. Don't go back here. Stay over here. Come on. Hurry, come on. You sitting in the wheel? You barely fit in there, bud. All right, come on. You go look around some more? You want to go look around some more? You get on the front? You want to? Hey, you want to go up front where the shark is?
Crew.
No, that's when we came last time. It wasn't very good. Come on. Maybe. We gotta see. There's a long line, buddy.
Yeah.
You're okay. What do you think, crew?
Cool.
9, 3, 2, 1. And now somebody say hello. Monster Truck Wars style. Up first, it's the Tombstone Sheriff, Mr. Justin Murphy. All right, there's his. We're moving this interrupter. Check, ladies and gentlemen. It's Devin Jones and T-Rex. Time to be Raider in the shark attack. Kentucky. It's gonna be tight quarters here, you know. That's the thing. That's the That's just. All right. Here we go. Craig Nye leading the pack for Team Tennessee.
Crew. Crew. What's wrong? You don't like it?
Take those two that knob inside that cabinet, the knob inside the cabinet that says Masters on the top right, bring it back just a little bit to the left. Turn it down just a little. There we go, thank you. Now a little more, still wrong. Turn it down a little more.
Hey.
What are you gonna do? Who you racing? Who are you gonna race? You racing him? Who's gonna win? You are.
If you notice, I've only got one power room. So, my buddy Ricky here came to the show today from Evansville, Indiana. And he said, you know what? I'll race this dude right here. This dude said, Ricky, you don't stand a chance. I'm going to smoke you. So it's on now. Here's what I need y'all to do. Pull up to the white line. Come on, Ricky. Come on, buddy. Pull up right here. That's good right there. What's your first name?
Crew.
Crew?
Crew.
Crew versus Ricky.
Give him ducks.
Best win.
All right. Yeah, we're going to race right back to here, guys, okay?
All right, one
Go
lap.
around and around the 3 cones and sweep right back here.
Go. Can you go around the 3 cones?
Go
Go around the cones and come back, okay?
Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go. Hey, Ricky's having difficulty. Come on, Ricky, get him. Come on, Crew, come on. Bring it around the cone, buddy. There you go. Hey, y'all gotta help him out. Y'all can cheer louder than that. Here comes Ricky. Come on, Crew. Come on, buddy. Get back in here. Come on, Crew. Ricky, come back, Ricky. Let's go, Crew. Ricky goes a long way. All right, appreciate it. Y'all will head back out that gate.
Hey guys, we just got back home and Crew wants to show you his new monster trucks that he won for racing at the Monster Truck Show. What are they, Crew?
T-Rex.
That one is T-Rex and Shark Attack. All right, can you tell everybody thanks for watching your video?
They watching your video.
You say smash that like button.
That's it.
Say smash it. Oh yeah. There's a Ninja Kid. Say see you guys next time.
See you next time.